Welcome to Hubble's world. The Hubble Space Telescope has led us on a journey of discovery through our cosmic neighborhood, showing us the dynamic, changing solar system that we live within. It has captured storms on nearby planets, found previously hidden moons, and glimpsed of passing visitors from interstellar space. 30 years ago, the Hubble Space Telescope opened a new window on the universe. Through the window, we have seen wonders across our Milky Way galaxy. From the birth and death of stars to baby pictures of planets, these are some Hubble's Milky Way marvels. Hubble has unlocked a universe vast and filled with wonder. It studied galaxies merging in a cosmic dance and found powerful jets emanating from around massive black holes. It uncovered the dark energy behind universal expansion and mapped the dark matter that connects galaxies. Through it all, Hubble has revealed an intergalactic elegance that stretches across the universe.